Hey loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hey loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we are going to be styling a simple bandana into the best hairstyle of the day. And as we dive into that, please like this video, share it out there, just tell someone about this channel. Also make sure that you do subscribe, turn on the notification bell, because here it's all about style, beauty, and a touch of vlogs. Okay. So what do you need for this particular style? While you need your bandana with you, you can also have a mirror or a bigger mirror somewhere that you'll be looking at, and also you need something to at least hold your hair at the back. It can be a hairband, a hair clip, well, whatever you prefer. Okay, and as we dive deeper and deeper on how we're going to be doing this style, I want to tell you that I'll be giving you some bonus tips in between, and also be sharing a bonus link to more tutorials. So make sure that you watch to the very end so that you do not miss out on all that. Okay, and if you're new here, Maureen, my name is Maureen. It's the YouTube of the right here. Drumrolls, welcome and welcome back. So guys, the first thing you need is to comb your hair. Well, I'm not mentioning you need a comb. You need to comb your hair down. In this case, we remove this. Oh my god, look at this, guys. So this. Well, if you're bald, it can also go in for you, but if you have braids, it's way better. It's much more recommended. You also have braids. If you do not have the natural hair, a wig, well, name them all. Okay, so well done with that. I hope you've combed you as well. The other thing is to fold the bandana, the first step. Okay, we having the bandana like this. Look into the inner side. Okay, place it facing towards at the top like that. That is if you're using a flat surface to make your folds, and then you pick that end and you bring it all the way here, and then you'll have something like that. And then you pick this end, you bring it to this line there, and then you have something like that. And then afterwards you pick this line, the top one, and then you bring it down to this other line like that, and then you have something like that. That size, you can actually prefer it to be of that size, or you can reduce it all the way to the smaller size. And so if you want to reduce it to the smaller size, what you do is you use the side that looks like a mouth, like this, like lips, you fold it, not this other size. Make note of that. But in this case, we're first going to use it while it is still like this. So I'll be showing you both ways, and then you can choose or decide the one that you prefer most. Okay, I'm kinda oh my god. So the other thing you need is to pick your hairband or hair clip, whatever you decided to choose to actually do this particular style. And as you do that, please just give me that thumbs up. It actually helps this video a lot. It pushes it to more people. You need more people to style their bandana right, so why not just like, so that more people can know we still exist. Also, you can choose to share it out there. You can choose to comment down below, or just subscribe if you've not done that yet. Okay, so the other thing is, I'm telling you, this gold is messing up with my voice. The other thing you do is hold your hair. You're going to just hold it as if you want to form a band. Like, you can hold it like that and let it be like that, or choose to do two knots, and then the second one you make it like that, and then you have something like that. I don't know if you've seen that. Let me just redo it for you. So you first do you take it like that, the first point like that, right? So you have something like that. Yes. The next one, you rotate your hair back like that, and then you fold this, and then when you're doing like this, don't let all the hairs out, just let it be folded like that, and then you have something as beautiful as that, right? Yes guys. Okay, So the next thing, I hope you've not undone your bandana. You just pick it like this, and then you place it here. You can actually do this in two ways. You can choose to place it here or below your to place it below here or right here. So we're going to start off by placing it on top of our hairs, and then we'll see the one that you prefer. Remember, we're also going to do it with the bandana folded into a smaller size. So let's place it right there, and then you bring it all the way to the front. Well, if your hair starting here, just place it somewhere at the center. No, if you're placing it up to here, you're just going to bring the bandana all the way to the front here. Oh God, like that, and then you'll have something like that. But I want to show you the other way, the one that I feel like it will be more prettier, because you'll not have to bring the entire bandana up to this point. But I don't know, you can also tell me in the comment section if you prefer this style, the first one, as the first one, or yeah, well, still like that it looks good. You can actually choose to let your hair down at this point or stay like that. Okay, make it a tail, ponytail, back, give mommy a little bit back, 15, like that. See, well, that looks good that way. I even feel like there's no need of showing you another style. We can call it quits, or we can close it at that point. Okay, but I want to show you the other one whereby you place the bandana below the hairs. Okay, and then you see how it looks. And actually I'll not be doing the folding it into a smaller size. We are going to stick to that size for now. So we do the same thing quickly. And please like this video, shares out there. Oh my god, I love to hear little change. Is it under the hair like this? And then for this case, you can actually know, even if I said I'll not be doing a small size, you can actually force it to be smaller. That is the size of the folds, and then you just make the knot right here at the center. So we'll still, I had said you'll not do it, but you'll be forced to do it. Okay, this size, you just fold this like that, and then you get it into that size, and then now you make it, you place it onto your hairs somewhere like that. Don't mind mine because I have the hair band on, so yours will be way prettier because you don't have all these things on your head. Oh yeah, so you'll have it like that. I don't know which one you prefer, although as for me, I prefer both. Let me just honest, I love both of them. It looks good, it looks amazing. So tell me in the comment section which one do you prefer. And talking about all that, make sure that you like this video, share out there, talk to me in the comment section, and also do subscribe and tell someone about this channel, because damn, every outcome is always better than the last one, and it's amazing. So just check in the description for a bonus link that has more tutorials to more videos, okay, to more bandana hairstyles, and also head scarves for the days that you have head scarves. And it's also for all kind of styles. So the day you have your hair bald, the day you have braids, and the days you have such kind of hair, the day you have natural hair, I got you on all that. So the link is in the description, just check there. And also, if you watched this for loads and loads of love, thank you so much. Click right here to watch more of my videos. Just click right here and we'll catch up on the next video, okay? But I'm really loving, I think I love this one. I love even the other one. I don't know, the other one, especially when you let your hair down, oh, it's just giving goals. It's just giving goals. You can all agree on that. Anyways, yeah. I like that.